Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Looking for a reliable way to keep your drinks and food perfectly chilled? The best cooler for ice retention with wheels ensures long-lasting cold storage and effortless mobility, making outdoor adventures, tailgates, and camping trips refreshingly convenient. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. The YETI Tundra Haul Wheeled Cooler. The YETI Tundra Haul Wheeled Cooler is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking top-tier ice retention combined with rugged mobility. Built with the brand's signature dry-hide shell, this cooler is waterproof, puncture-resistant, and abrasion-proof, ensuring it can withstand the toughest outdoor conditions, whether you're on a hunting trip, fishing expedition, or a long day on the water. The Tundra Haul is also designed with practicality in mind, providing enough internal space for multiple meals or a large quantity of ice and beverages. Its reliability makes it particularly appealing to outdoors enthusiasts who value both convenience and durability. Overall, the YETI Tundra Haul Wheeled Cooler combines unparalleled ice retention, exceptional construction quality, and effortless mobility, positioning it as a leading option for anyone who needs a cooler that performs consistently under demanding conditions. With its robust features, this cooler is not just a storage container, it's a dependable companion for extended adventures, ensuring your items stay perfectly chilled no matter the environment.
Number 2. The Igloo Trailmate Journey 70Q Wheeled Cooler stands out as a premium solution for those seeking convenience and reliable ice retention during extended outdoor activities. Its oversized 10-inch wheels allow effortless navigation across sand, gravel, or uneven terrain, while the glide handle reduces strain, making pulling even a fully loaded cooler 50% easier. The Trailmate Journey's design includes a removable butler tray, ideal for serving drinks and snacks without worrying about dirt or sand contamination, and it stores neatly under the lid when not in use. Additionally, this cooler offers dry storage compartments for mobile phones, keys, sunglasses, and other essentials. Its practical features, like the butler tray and dry storage compartments, elevated beyond its standard cooler, providing an all-in-one solution for organization, comfort, and convenience. Whether hauling refreshments across the sandy beach or navigating crowded park paths, this cooler is engineered to handle demanding outdoor conditions while keeping your food and beverages perfectly chilled. The combination of mobility, capacity, and functionality makes it a standout choice for anyone who values ease of use and high performance in a wheeled cooler. Number 3. Ninja FrostVault 45Q Wheeled Cooler. The Ninja FrostVault 45Q Wheeled Cooler is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who demand maximum ice retention and practical organization in a compact wheeled package. Utilizing FrostVault technology, this cooler keeps food cool, dry, and separated at food-safe temperatures for days, ensuring freshness even during extended trips. Its 45-quart capacity can accommodate up to 68 cans without ice or 40 cans plus ice, providing versatile storage options for both drinks and perishable items. It is perfect for adventurers who prioritize ice retention and convenience, offering a combination of practicality, resilience, and performance that elevates it above typical wheeled coolers. This cooler is engineered to withstand demanding outdoor conditions, making it a reliable companion for long trips, hot weather outings, or situations where keeping food and drinks cold is essential. With its innovative FrostVault technology and smart design, it ensures that you enjoy fresh and chilled items throughout your adventure.
Number 4. RollR 60-quart Wheeled Cooler. The RollR 60-quart Wheeled Cooler by RollR delivers a seamless blend of mobility, durability, and ice retention, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Engineered for wheeled versatility, this cooler navigates sandy beaches, rugged trails, or uneven terrain with ease thanks to its integrated all-terrain wheels and durable handle system. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting performance in all weather conditions, with a weather-resistant design that protects drinks and food from heat, moisture, and abrasion. This cooler is particularly well suited for individuals who require a heavy-duty cooler that combines portability with long-lasting ice retention. Its durable design makes it capable of handling rough outdoor adventures, while the convenience of wheeled transport eliminates the struggle of carrying heavy coolers. Whether you are heading to a remote campsite, a sandy beach, or a local park, the RollR 60-quart wheeled cooler ensures your items stay perfectly chilled and easily accessible. It is an ideal option for families, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who values practicality, durability, and efficient ice retention in a wheeled cooler.
Number 5. Igloo Trailmate 70-quart wheeled cooler. The Igloo Trailmate 70-quart wheeled cooler is engineered to tackle challenging outdoor conditions while providing excellent ice retention and user-friendly mobility. Its 10-inch never-flat, smooth-ride wheels offer superior traction and ground clearance, enabling effortless transport across sand, gravel, and uneven terrain. Its thoughtful design, reliable construction, and user-friendly features ensure a stress-free and enjoyable experience, whether navigating sandy beaches, crowded parks, or rugged trails. This cooler is ideal for anyone seeking a dependable, high-capacity wheeled cooler that keeps contents cold, secure, and easy to transport. When choosing a wheeled cooler, ice retention, durability, and mobility are key. From the rugged YETI Tundra Haul to the versatile Igloo Trailmate and innovative Ninja FrostVault, each cooler offers unique features to keep your food and drinks cold while making transport effortless. Pick the one that fits your adventure style and enjoy chilled refreshments anywhere, anytime.